Account A, 2 million followers, account B, 60,000 followers, and yet it's account B that keeps showing up in people's feed. The reason isn't luck, it's a number neither of them are tracking. This reel is for every creator who has sat through endless advice of using trending audio, posting consistently, engaging with comments regularly, and are still left wondering why it isn't working out for them. The advice isn't wrong, but it is incomplete because it captures only the surface level behavior. It doesn't touch the mathematical structure beneath it, which is actually a deciding factor of whether you grow or you plateau. So today, I'm showing you that structure. Every account has two important numbers, and yet every creator tracks only one of them. The first is your follower count, which is basically the number of people connected to you. And if you have been following this series, you by now would know that this is basically the number of arrows pointing towards you in the social graph. The second is your influence score, which basically asks if attention flowed randomly through the network, how much of it reaches you. Account A went viral once, used a trending audio, and it got reshared by a broad but low alignment audience, which was mostly an impulsive share. Account B, on the other hand, has 12 highly trusted niche specific accounts which are sharing, saving, and interacting with their content. Every share from these accounts is bringing a high quality audience to account B. Now if we run the page rank equivalent on this social graph, the rank of page A is much lower than the rank of page B. That is, account A's influencer score is disproportionately lower than account B's influencer score. That's exactly why account B keeps getting nominated into recommendation pools while account A is still struggling to grow. 8 reels ago, you were a consumer, a row in the user content matrix, and now you are a node in a graph. And your real influence, not the follower kind, but your actual influence, is your entry in this page rank equivalent principal eigenvector that we get. And this is what mathematics exactly looks like, not some floating equations in a textbook, but simple structures that are quietly running our everyday lives. One honest note before I close this series simplified the real system a lot. The actual algorithm is much more complex with a lot of layers, but the skeleton, the matrix, the Markov chain, the eigenvector, the structure is real. And once you see the skeleton, you start seeing differently the structures that have been built over that skeleton.